Now you might notice, MPI people, that that's not right there, but I am going to template off the old one and address that. I just didn't want to buy a heritage panel because you can't get a non-heritage one with the correct cutouts. So we've bought a pattern part there, saved a bit of money. It has got the indicator hole in it. It does not have the aerial hole, so those two things are correct. What's not correct is around the headlight, so we'll show you that. So here on the original MPI one, you'll see there's a recess cut here, and that is for the adjustable headlights, but also this reinforcing ring that goes round. It's not round anymore, it dips down here to make space for this. On the pattern part, it's a round reinforcement ring and there is no cutout there. So what we're going to have to do, two things. One, I'll just rub this shape onto a bit of tape and transfer it to there, and then we'll just cut a little notch. That'll be easy. The other thing is I'm going to cut out a little bit of this reinforcing ring from about this hole to this hole. It's basically the bottom bit that's out of shape. Luckily it's in good enough condition, unlike that bit there. Do the same on here. We'll cut from about hole to hole and then we'll graft in the correct piece. Extra work, extra time, but saves money. Since I don't have YouTube revenue, adverts, Patreon, all the rest of it, I'm not going to spend your guys' money on parts for my car. I couldn't even if I wanted to, because I don't get any. Right, let's get on with putting that onto there. Okay, we've got our two pieces here. So all we need to do now, here where we've laid our masking tape over and we're following the little lines traced off of the old one, we just got to cut this little piece here out, and then we'll have one converted cheap panel into an MPI compatible panel. I know most of you think that that's probably a waste of time, but just saving some pennies. We got to buy some more expensive bits for this car later down the line. Should be a bit more exciting than spending it on a wing. There we are then, all lined up, indent there, paint, weld, and we'll be looking factory pretty much. Here we go, pretty much what we need. Reinforcement ring ready for MPI. Got our weld through primer on here as well, and around here obviously the reinforcing ring from the inside. Indicator hole, well this is driver's side so it wouldn't have the hole here anyway, but no hole there. Ready to go on the car.